Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some impactful bathroom upgrades that you can make for under $100. Bathroom renovations can be very pricey, so anything you can do to keep the cost down and really make a big impact will go a very long way. I actually did a full bathroom renovation for under $300 on my channel, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it down below, but we're going to be covering even more ideas in today's video. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. One of the last places that people even think to upgrade in their bathroom is the ceiling. But if you add interest to your ceiling, add a pop of color, add some texture, your bathroom will drastically change without doing anything else. You can paint your ceiling a dramatic color that will actually draw the eye up and make your small bathroom actually feel larger. You can add wallpaper to add some pattern and color and texture. You can even install wood beams, wood paneling, and beadboard. So if you're not planning on doing anything to the walls, you're not planning on changing your vanity, your fixtures, think about looking up at your ceiling and adding the interest there. Since you're not doing every single wall, you're not covering every single surface, you only really need a small amount of material, whether that be paint, wood, or wallpaper. I love that this allows you to tie in home color palettes and patterns and textures in a very interesting way. So look around at a bathroom that you've been meaning to upgrade. Maybe there's something you can do on the ceiling that will make a huge difference. One of my favorite budget-friendly things that you can do to change up the look of your bathroom floor is just simply swap out your basic bath mats for a long runner. A runner that's gonna be able to span the width of your vanity, span the length of your bathroom, and make a dramatic impact on the floor. So this is a great way of adding a decorative touch that helps tie together other spaces around your home, maybe a similar color palette, a soft detail, and just some elegant texture to your hard bathroom floor. Instead of having multiple bath mats around your bathroom, creating a very busy look, simplify and get one large runner or rug. This is the best way to update your bathroom floor if you want to cover up some tile as well. This typically makes any bathroom look longer and larger, and it definitely creates more of that finished, polished look. So if you're trying to do one small tweak to your bathroom, make sure you implement a runner, and I think you will absolutely love it. Now, an organized bathroom is usually a lot more appealing. It looks up to date and fresh and clean, even if you've done nothing else. One of the easiest ways that you can organize your bathroom is just with simple baskets. You can group like items in drawers, in cupboards, out on display, but just simply putting it in a basket will make a huge difference. It will add some texture that adds a little bit of decor and detail, but it will also just gather those like items to make it feel more organized. Now, baskets are very budget friendly, especially if you thrift them. I usually go thrifting for baskets as opposed to buying brand new because I always find them at the thrift store. They're something that's very easy to come by. You can find unique styles, so it's usually the first place I look before I go anywhere else. I always say that thrifting is the best way to get those good quality high-end pieces at an affordable price. I do it for pretty much everything in my life, even clothing. I've been thrifting all of my clothing on ThredUp for years, every single season, so I can get fresh new looks at an affordable price. ThredUp is such an incredible online thrift and consignment store that sells women's and children's clothing. They are the largest fashion resale platform, and they have new products coming in every single day, so it really makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. It's so much fun. You can find all of your favorite retailers at the same place, so you really only have to go shopping once. It's the best way to just embrace your personal style, save money, while reducing your fashion footprint by thrifting online. This is such a cute dress. I love this pattern for spring. It's perfect. This is a J. Crew dress that I thrifted on ThredUp. It looks like a little two-piece set in the back and then a one-piece in the front. And I got it for such a good deal. This was originally $74 and I thrifted it on ThredUp for $42.99. It's also brand new with tags, so it's never been worn. That's like the best part when you're shopping on ThredUp. You can search by brand, by size, style, and even search new with tag products. So you're finding brand new, never been worn pieces. I also thrifted these shoes. These are originally Lulu shoes. I just love the height. They're perfect for like day and night. You can walk all day. Just a good nude shoe. Another perfect dress for spring. I love the length, the coverage, puffy sleeves. It's obviously my style. It even has pockets. This one is a Zara dress. It has an estimated retail value of $44 and I thrifted it on ThredUp for just $33.99. I seem to be wearing a lot of white this year because we are getting married in the summer. So I feel like I'm just in my bridal era. Okay, I'm obsessed with this top. This is gorgeous. This Zara top. I love this neckline. It's super open, the quarter length sleeves. The estimated retail value of this top was $52 and I found it on ThredUp for just $20.99. This is such a pretty blue and everything just fits perfectly. Okay, I didn't expect to be so obsessed with this sweater jacket, but it's so cute and cozy. This is Show Me Your Moo Moo and it has an estimated retail value of $127 and I thrifted it on ThredUp for just $33.99. Can you believe that? That is like the craziest deal. And I paired it with this yellow bodysuit. This is a Babaton bodysuit and I love that it just kind of brightens up the look and makes it feel like spring. Ooh, this is a very pretty blue. I love this dress, the way it like ruches and the arms. It's so cute. This is the dress that was new with tags, had the Zara tag on it for $27.99 and I found it on ThredUp for just $17.99. I love it. So if you guys are looking for anything kind of similar to these clothes or want to shop my style clothes, you guys should check out my favorites tab. I'll have it linked down below. I have favorited a bunch of pieces from ThredUp, so you guys can shop similar items, shop items I really love, and find the cutest pieces. You guys can get 35% off your first ThredUp order and free shipping just by using my code Kristen. I'll have it linked down below in the description box so you guys can thrift as well. Now, one of the best affordable ways to add some style to your bathroom is change up your vanity mirror. If you have dated mirrors, definitely swap those out for an upgraded look. Maybe you want to change up the shape and size and go for something really dramatic. You can always find stylish mirrors for under $100. It's the first thing you see when you walk in. It really can help tie together your vanity and other finishes around your space and add a ton of style. Now, if you have that single large builder grade mirror and you're not planning on removing it, think about framing it. Framing it really helps it look finished and polished. You can paint your trim, you can tie it together with other wood tones around your space to really make it part of the design. I love integrating it with picture frame molding and really blending it into a space. I did this in my parents' powder room makeover and it made such a big difference. So if you're not thinking about changing the big things in your space like tile and paint and flooring and fixtures, think about finishing off that mirror or swapping it out for a decorative choice. Now, of course, I had to mention paint because paint is not just for your walls. You can paint pretty much every surface in your bathroom to drastically change the look of it. You can paint your walls, your vanity, your countertops, your flooring, your tub, your tile, your fixtures. You can paint it all to drastically transform the look of your bathroom on a very tight budget. Now, this is definitely a solution for people that want that color and finish change. If you have finishes around your bathroom that just need a little bit of a color change, this would definitely do it. Even if this is that in-between method that you use before a renovation, just so you can kind of refresh your space, it's definitely a good option. So let me know down below in the comments if you would ever consider painting any surface in your bathroom other than your walls. Now, one of the easiest things that you can do to really change up the experience and look of your countertops and shower is rebottle all of those everyday products. Your hand soap, your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all of those things that stay out on display that tend to look messy and colorful and a little bit of an eyesore. If you just rebottle all of those pieces into coordinating pump bottles, you will end up with a dramatic difference that really just adds this luxurious experience to your bathroom. It makes it feel like you're at a hotel suite and it just really gives off this clean, organized look. So you can go with a simple clear bottle, you can go with amber bottles, you can go with a colored bottle, something that really works with your design, but taking away all that packaging and simplifying those pieces into coordinating pump bottles will make the biggest difference. I think this is especially important for guest bathrooms. If you can add this element into that space, it will really step up the experience for your guests. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. If you have a shower tub combo and you have a shower curtain, raise that shower curtain as high as you can, even install it to the ceiling, and install 2 shower curtain panels, one on either side, to really frame out your tub and shower and make it look picture perfect. This is gonna add this designer touch to your bathroom and really elevate the look of it with one small change. A shower curtain is a very functional piece, so if we can make it a little bit more decorative, it would definitely step up the look of your bathroom. Stay away from the colorful, patterned, busy shower curtains and go for something simple and classic to really finish off your bathroom. This is again gonna draw the eye up, make your bathroom look larger and taller and definitely more finished. Now, a fresh new thing that you can do in your bathroom is swap out all of those colorful beautiful patterned mix matched bath towels for white, simple, classic towels. This will really give you that elevated hotel experience. White towels look fresh and clean and bright, but of course can be stained. So I always recommend also having a set of small black towels. These are perfect for removing your makeup, for washing your face, because they won't show any stains. So you won't be ruining your white towels. That can all go towards these darker towels that really give you this elevated experience. So they're definitely the choice if you're looking to elevate that everyday item in your bathroom. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on how you can upgrade your bathroom on a budget. Let me know down below in the comments if you're planning on applying any of these decorating tips to your small space. And again, don't forget to check out ThredUp if you want to upgrade your wardrobe this season. You guys can get 35% off your first ThredUp order and free shipping by using my code Kristen. So I'll have that link down below in the description box so you guys can thrift as well. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!